What's going on, y'all? It's the LSSWAPGURU here. Grab your popcorn, enjoy the show. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. As you can see, the channel is turning into a G-body channel. We got burnouts, we got wiring, we doing fuel systems, we doing LS swaps. I'm coming back. I'm trying to get these videos out. I'm hella behind right now, but stay tuned. A lot of stuff coming, y'all. Get your paper. This car right here is no stranger to the channel. I think it's a 79 Malibu 5.7. It's 30 over, so it's basically a 6.0. I think it has the mild cam in it. 5.3 4060, 5.7 4060E. It's from an ls1 aluminum block, obviously, and has an ls1 intake on there, I believe. Yep, has an ls1 intake on there. And basically what I'm about to do is I will start the car up and show you guys, but I don't feel like getting burnt right now. Should I start this shit up? I'm gonna start that real quick, show y'all. Down the keys inside. Basically what the car is doing when you start it up or whatever, it said one whole side wasn't working. I'm like, damn, well, what the hell would the problem be or whatever? So I went over here checking for this plug, and then I moved this harness like this and the idle changed, so I let it go, went back to normal, and then I pulled it up again, and then the idle raised back up, and I dropped it, and then it changed again. So somewhere in this harness is the bad connection. That's why I tell you guys, this actually looks like a nice harness, right? But it's old, it's used, it's not the OEM harness. So what we're gonna do is basically take all this stuff off. And the car was running basically like on 4 damn cylinders. I don't want to talk about it too much. I just want to get it done so I can get paid, move on to the next thing. And I'm sure you guys probably wondering, oh, what's going on with this car, what's going on with that car, whatever. Shit been crazy. I don't like to cuss too much on my channel, but fuck it. You gotta use cuss words with this. Shit been crazy. The last 3 swaps all been fucked up. I had to use basically I bought 3 motors for the last 3 swaps. All 3 of the motors fucked up. I bought 2 fucked up transmissions. Everything that I buy from now on is coming with a warranty, 90-day warranty. So I found 2 spots. But if y'all in LA County, San Bernardino County or whatever, and y'all got the plug, or you are the plug and you got motors and all that, and you want to connect with me, man, hit my line. I'll leave the email right here. Y'all can check that out, man. Hit me up on my email, and if I contact you, I will be contacting you because I have the money. I don't play with people's time. I don't pay with people money. I pay full price for whatever you ask for, but what I am asking in return, make sure you give me something that's functioning and working. And if it doesn't have a warranty, I am not interested. So with further ado, I'm about to go eat me some more cashews real quick, and drink me some fine H2O and get up on this thing. This thing all done, just doing a little bit of fine tuning. Got to do some wire cleanup, some heat shrinking. It wasn't cutting on, so I found out what the issue was, but I got everything done. So just the cleanup section now, and that's pretty much it. Start tuning. Tripping off the engine bay getting cleaned up. I told him come back. I'll get rid of all this stuff, painted, degreased, and all that stuff. So he said he's gonna come back, but for right now, he was just trying to get the new harness installed. As you can see, it is installed. That's pretty much it, man. I relocated his all this stuff and whatnot. So and this one up at the computer in the glove box. I can see he got a lot of floor space down there. His OBD2 port is over there. Factory location, but that's pretty much it, man. He can come pick this thing up. Like I said, he wasn't tripping on the cleanup or whatever, so I told him. So without further ado, man, I'm about to try to give y'all a little quick burnout for my phone went out of storage. Damn! He almost hit the curb. I think he did. Okay, coming back? Okay. He feeling, oh shit. Okay, little daddy. Damn. God, hit that shit. Stop. Go ahead. I think this fool needs some new mufflers for sure. Smoke them, cuz. Smoke them, dog. Don't you see it? Oh, making 11s great again. Damn. Over here with Riri. Got the exhaust done. About to take the first test drive. He ain't got that on it yet, but he gonna get that. Look at my dog. First test drive, you said she been sitting for 6 years. Bumper glide. Go ahead then, Riri. Go ahead, Riri.